This is how the packet looks like. I have chosen the subtle shade nails over here. They are not just plain, but they do have some designs over them. So yeah, they're pretty much ready to go nails. I do want to tell you that I'm not a nail expert, so please bear with me in this video. Any suggestions are heartily welcomed. So here I'm taking a clear top coat nail polish and applying it over my bare nails. Well, I'm just doing this because I want to clear a layer between my nails and the glue. I just don't want to apply the glue directly on my nails. Let it dry for some time and start arrange the nails according to the sizes. You can also trim them and file them if you want to, but for me, I like the way they are. So this is the glue, I got it along with the nails. And when I tried to apply the glue didn't come off. Like, trust me, I squeezed so hard but it doesn't come off. It was like there was nothing in the tube. Well, luckily I had some nail glue which I got recently from Amazon. So I'm going to use it. I'm just going to apply a little bit and spread it all over my nails. Now carefully stick the nails and press down for a few seconds. Keep repeating the same for the rest of the nails as well. Make sure you don't put a lot of glue as it would be really hard to take it off. Well, I can give a 10 on 10 for the nails and the price, but the glue was a bit disappointment to me. And that's it, you're done. Honestly, I really like the way they turned out. They definitely do not look like cheap ones. To me, they look pretty much decent and classy as well. Also tell me what you think about them in the comment section as well. That's how I managed to do my nails in such low budget. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any of my updates. Until then, meet you in my next video.